Join us on a ship tour of the Carnival Celebration. We were on the inaugural sailing out of Miami in November of 2022. Here the ship is docked in beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. The Bahamas port is getting a much needed makeover and it's going to look fantastic when completed. Now, let's tour the ship from topside. The infinity pools, deck 8 and 16, putt-putt golf, Bolt the roller coaster, Carnival Waterworks, and that famous Carnival whale tail, the sports court, the Lido deck where the Carnival Fun Squad entertain us, and how about those sun decks and the Serenity deck. Now let's sneak a peek at the crew sun deck right there at the bow of the ship. We are Anita and Al Adventures. We invite you to comment, like, and subscribe. We would appreciate that so much. And look, you know who I see there? That's me, right there, flying the drone. The Carnival Celebration cost $1 billion to build. She is the newest Excel class ship along with the Mardi Gras and the Jubilee sailing in early 2024. She weighs in at a whopping 183,000 tons. She's 1,100 feet long, 19 decks, cruises at 23 knots. Let's get ready to board the Celebration. Look how the Fun Squad greets passengers. They truly know how to set the tone for fun. Carnival also pays homage to its 50-year history and the Carnival Celebration Ship, the first one. Now, let's start the ship tour.
Java Blue Cafe, it's the Starbucks of the sea. You can get all your specialty coffees, tea, hot chocolate, cappuccinos, and then you can also get various sandwiches and cupcakes and donuts too. Cherry on top for your sweet tooth. We are now entering Celebration Central.
Celebration Central is laid out from deck 6 to 8. There are pros and cons of this beautifully unique layout. The cons are some of the seating is under the overhang that could block viewing, so get there early. The panoramic windows double as a screen for production shows, and let me say, mad props to all the techies in that booth. Great shows. The Aquaria bar uses tile from previous Carnival ships for its beautiful mosaic design. Throughout the ship, there are unique architectural features and modern decor such as this frosted glass bottom bridge. The casino has a smoking and non-smoking section, tables and video gaming, and a bar centrally located. For the physically fit, you can't ask for a better equipped gym.
Everything that we have. Okay.
And we have yoga, pilates, spinning, which is indoor bike, and a type of heat, which is high
Camp. Okay.
Yeah,
No boot camp. Over.
I'm Juan, the chosen one. I cannot wait to see you here in the gym training with us. See you around.
Carnival Kitchen. Here we are at the Carnival Kitchen, where you can sign up for all sorts of fun classes. They teach you how to do sushi, you can make cupcakes, cake decorating, and all sorts of other recipes, and you get to meet a lot of fun people as you're taking a class. Emeril's Bistro, authentic New Orleans Cajun food, including the most amazing beignets that we have ever had. So go check out Emeril's. Bam!
Emeril's restaurant with great Cajun food served at a very reasonable price. If you like, pause the video to check out the menu. The seating at Emeril's features stained glass windows that change from scene to scene. Now on to Latitude's Bar, serving drinks from all over the world. pictures representing Carnival destinations worldwide. Lots of seating to hang out and have some fun. Pretty artwork around the ship and very modern design touches.
Piano Bar 88, it's a fun place to come in and do sing-alongs with all your favorite songs and listen to amazing piano music.
And here we have the Limelight Lounge. This is where all sorts of events take place, and we have karaoke, trivia, and also this is where DJ Q does his thing on the ones and twos. The Limelight Lounge is also the club for the Carnival Celebration. Right here we have the Alchemy Bar. We can get a whole bunch of fun concoctions and drinks. Great place to hang out, the Alchemy Bar. All right, so right next to the Alchemy Bar is this nice, cool little place to hang out with some circular benches. This is a nice place for people watching as people are walking to and fro. Right downstairs, we have the Latitudes Bar, and also Emerald's restaurant is right downstairs as well.
Summer Landing is a great hangout spot where there is also a brewery. They're making craft beer on a cruise ship. You can sign up for a tour. At night, this is the hostess stand in order to get seated for barbecue dinner at Guy's Pig and Anchor. Heroes Tribute Lounge in honor of all of our military veterans. Great place to hang out and catch a game on the giant TVs. Lots of seating with more TVs. Great bands, live music. Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue, amazing. Great smoked meats like blue ribbon chicken and pork butt, and Mac Daddy mac and cheese. Use your sell and sign card to purchase soda. Guy's Pig and Anchor at Summer Landing, located on Deck 8 aft.
Passing guest services, let's look at the specialty restaurants. Rudy's Sea Grill, one of the best meals I have ever had. And of course, for the following restaurants, there are going to be upcharges. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, Delish. Cucina del Capitano, an Italian restaurant, excellent. It is a large restaurant with indoor and outdoor seating.
Bonsai Teppanyaki, it's lunch or dinner with a show.
Let's go outside to Guy's Burgers. You know, I think I'm gonna order a single burger with some donkey sauce and some fries. Guy honors his SoCal roots.
Greetings from Miami, Carnival Celebration. This area is called 820 Biscayne. Bar 820, Cucina del Capitano, Miami Slice, Deco Deli, and Rudy's Sea Grill, 820 Biscayne.
Carnival named this area 820 Biscayne, honoring its first Miami headquarters. On embarkation day, we skipped the main dining room. We had some sandwiches and pizza. They were very good, except the pepperoni was a bit different.
We're in the Carnival store that has all the logo merchandise. This is where you can book your Carnival shore excursions. If you don't want to use your Hub app, you can log in and do it here. And then they also have all the stuff that you may have forgotten or you don't have, like sunscreen, beach hat, snorkel gear, all that kind of stuff, so you can go have fun on your shore excursion.
So this is Carnival's Pixel Gallery. Here is where you're going to come. You're going to enter your folio number and you're going to select the pictures that you want, and you could purchase them on your app, or you can come right here on all of these tablets that you can search through and pick out the pictures.
that you want to purchase. We're going to go over to the Pixel Gallery store where you can purchase stuff that you might have forgotten. Any accessories for your GoPros, any SD cards.
Here we are in this amazing store, Effie and Front Street Watches combined in two with these two awesome guys who will help you with anything that you could possibly want. They've got diamonds, watches, rings, jewelry, everything.
Siesta celebration! Woo!
More shopping. You can get all the really pretty Carnival Celebration sweatshirts and shirts and pajamas and t-shirts. More shopping. Hip Fish. It's got Louis Vuitton and Gucci bags. Sweet. Hip Fish beauty and fragrances and Hip Fish accessories.
Here we have Portside Liquor and Tobacco where you can get all kinds of whiskeys, scotches, vodka, cognacs. Great place.
Lido Pool Deck with DJ Q. Lots of fun in the sun. Enjoy. Red Frog Tiki Bar. It's a 2-level bar that serves lots of Caribbean drinks. DJ Q does amazing music as you're enjoying the beautiful Lido Deck. Fun in the sun. Feeling hot, hot, hot.
Deck 16 Infinity Pool right outside Shack's Big Chicken Restaurant. The celebration has a total of 5 pools. It's a great place to enjoy whether it's a sea day or a shore day. And views of the best pool of them all, the ocean.
Welcome to the ultimate playground, Carnival Celebration, ropes course, boat, sports court, waterworks, mini golf.
This is the ropes course where you can do lots of fun climbing on a cruise ship.
You can play cornhole. Boom! All right, there they are, loading people onto the boat from the station, and that should be a fun ride. Boat. Here we have Carnival's Waterworks, fun place to bring the kids, great water slides. Beautiful day today on the Carnival Celebration.
The inaugural sailing out of Miami. We're heading home to Miami. Like and subscribe, Anita and Al Adventures, please.